Just wanted to shoot a quick video, show everybody where the motor swap is at on this old truck. And today marks 10 years almost to the day that I've done a motor swap. The last one I did prior to this was on the old Saturn. But there she is. The motor is out of a 2000 Lincoln Navigator. It's the 5.4 liter twin cam engine, which actually never came in these trucks, but the Navigator and the F150 pretty much share the same platform, so it fits, kinda. It was rebuilt. I did it over the last couple of years here in the driveway. So the motor is in. It's kind of resting on the motor mount, with the exception of the driver's side, which I'll show you here. I don't know if you can see this. Got a kitty. Yeah, the bolt holes for that motor mount are not going to line up because of the oil pan issue. And I don't know if I can get y'all under there to see that. So that oil pan is for a 3-valve 5.4 liter, the 2004 and newer, which has a larger oil pan. And it just does not clear on these trucks. So we are going to have to make some modifications there. Transmission also went in at the same time. That's a 4R100 transmission out of an 03 Navigator. So when it's all said and done, this truck will have a 5.4 twin cam engine out of a 2000 Navigator with an 03 4R100 and kind of a hodgepodge of other parts, but we'll get into that later. Removing the core support to get the engine in was definitely the right way to do this. There's a lot of people who drop the engine in from the top and then bolt up the transmission. It just wasn't something we were up for doing. So anyway, so that leaves us with this. This is actually the 03 Navigator engine. Getting it ready to put on the engine stand to go through it next. This motor ran when I removed it, but it ran really rough. And it had some issues, so that's why we decided not to use this engine. So, anyway, that's where the motor swap is at. And we'll post an update as we get more work done.